Leo's Jungle Safari by Teacher Jonatas. Hello, I'm Leo. Let's go to the jungle. Look, it has a big head. It says roar. It is a lion. Stomp, stomp. It is very big. It is a gray elephant. Look up. It swings in the tree. It is a monkey. It runs fast. It is black and white. It is a zebra. Wow. It is very tall. It eats leaves. It is a giraffe. Shh. It is long and green. It is a snake. Splash. It likes the water. It is a hippo. So many friends. Lion, monkey, and elephant. Goodbye, animals. Goodbye, jungle. See you soon. Did you like the animals? Click the like button and subscribe to the channel. Join our adventure. See you.